At a time when famous brands are disappearing from the camper trailer market, AusRV in Brisbane has just launched this new locally built hard floor camper. Let's have a look. As its name suggests, the Centurion is really built for battle. It starts with a very sturdy 150mm A-frame, continues underneath with trailing arm, coil spring suspension with twin shock absorbers, off-road wheels and tyres, 12-inch brakes, and finally tow hooks on the rear for getting you out of sticky situations. A really good thing about the Centurion for those heading off the beaten track is this whole camper takes up no more space than its own footprint, so setting up is easy in pretty well any terrain. The Centurion is built for the great outdoors and outdoor living. It's got this stainless steel fold-out kitchen and sink, and an outdoor pantry here. So by the time you put the awning out, you're ready for dinner. And plenty of storage space in the box up front for a generator or a portable fridge. Once you get inside, a little bit tricky, the low head height and nothing to hold the door open, but once you're in, it's really roomy. Standing room here to get changed, room to sit and have dinner while it's pelting down outside, and afterwards a great queen-size bed with panoramic view and fly mesh all round like a camper trailer to keep you cool in those tropical nights. However, a bit of room for improvement. It's a new kid on the block. For a start, access to the back is not that easy. You have to bob your head to get in the door, and the door's got no retainer. It's not easy to keep shut at night. The steps are really heavy. Some of the tent, the latches on the tent, are quite tricky to use and need thumb and forefinger force, not a really nice over-centre latch. And to be honest, this one has had a hard life as a demonstrator. It was a prototype, but the finish has certain room for improvement.